Do you have a Facebook page and now you're needing to add an admin so that other people can help you? Alright, stay tuned. I'm Mel Sarah with Dream It to Life and I'm going to show you how. Stick with me. I'll be right back. Welcome to Dream It to Life social media with us,
Pete Sarah
and Mel Sarah, where we help you grow your online presence, tips, tricks, and how-tos on how we help you bring your dreams to life. And before we get started in this week's video,
make sure to like and subscribe so you'll never miss any of our videos, because you'll never know how the next one will help you.
I'm back again. This is Mel Sarah with Dream It to Life, and I'm going to show you how to add an admin to your Facebook page. I'm going to be using my mom's profile because I run her page for her, and I need to add myself as an admin so that she doesn't have to worry about all of that. Okay, so first you can either go to just your profile photo up on the right hand side of the screen and click that and switch to your page profile, or you can just go to pages on your left hand side and select your page that you want to go to. Either way works fine to get you to your page. Okay, so now we're at the page. Touch your regular profile photo so that you can change into your page profile so that it gives you all of your options to edit. Okay, now we're going to go to the left hand side underneath your manage page. Okay, so now you're going to go to the left hand side under manage page, and you're going to go to your professional dashboard. Okay, so now that you're in your professional dashboard, you will go down on the left hand side and just go down until you see page access. It'll be in your tools drop down. If that's not open, click it to drop them down, and then you'll see page access. Okay, now, right now, Robin Scanlon is the only one that has access to this page, but I need to have access to it too. So, you come in here, and at the top it says people with Facebook access, and then you see whoever it has, which will be you, the owner, and then you will go up to the right hand side and it says add new. You click that, and then it tells you all about what types of access you can get. Okay, so now here it says who should have access to your Facebook page. You can either search them by name or you can search them by their email. And I'll just search me by name because of course we're friends on here, so it should pick me up. When you search them by name, search them by their profile name on Facebook. So, you know, their name might not be exactly what their profile name is. So that's what you want to do. You want to make sure you search for their profile name. So there I am right there, and I'm going to choose me. And then you will choose what type of access you want to give that person. Okay, so once you are to the person that you want to add, now it shows you here what partial access would be. And that is where they can make content, they can do messages, respond back to messages, and send. The community activity, which would be your lives, where they can respond and interact with anyone commenting on your lives. Also, they can do ads, and they can see the performances, the insights of your page. Now, if you want to give them full access, which is full control, which allows them to remove anyone from the page or delete the page if that is needed. They can also add others if they need to. So if they need to add somebody else to help manage the page in any type of way that is there, they can also be able to do that as well. So here I'm going to get full access just because it makes it easier so that I do not have to go into her account when I don't need to. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm giving full access. You do not have to give full access. You can just not select that, slide over, and you could just click give access, and that'll just give them partial access. That will not give them access to add anybody to your page or delete your page or remove anybody from the page. And then of course you need to put in your password so that it can confirm that it is you that is making these changes. Okay, so now it sent the invite to that person, and then that person will have to go and accept the invitation. So that will be on their end, and you will just notify them. And it also says that it expires in 31 days. So they have to just make sure that they accept the invite and follow the prompts before the 31 days is up. Okay, so there you go. That's how you add an admin to your Facebook page. I hope this helps. I hope this was easy and painless. And I hope I helped you today. All right, well, this is Mel Sarah, and thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.